Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down how to fix the awaiting scripts error in your FiveM server. So let's get straight into it. First things first, you want to check the server status. Make sure the FiveM server you're trying to join is actually online and not crashing or undergoing maintenance. If the server has a status page or if you can contact the host, verify that everything is running smoothly. Next, restart both FiveM and the server. Close FiveM completely, restart the server if you have access, or ask the admin to do it. Then reopen FiveM and try connecting again. If that doesn't fix it, it's time to clear your FiveM cache. Simply open your FiveM application data folder and delete the cache folder, but keep the game folder. After that, restart FiveM and try joining once more. Another important step is to verify your GTA 5 game files. Open Steam, right-click GTA 5 and go to Properties, Local Files, and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Missing or corrupted files can definitely cause scripts to hang while loading. If you have server access, check for resource or scripts errors in the console. Make sure all required scripts, dependencies, and resources are installed correctly and fully up to date. Also, you want to make sure your FiveM client is updated. Running an outdated version can cause scripts to fail or load incorrectly. Now, if you're using mods, try disabling any mods or custom scripts that might conflict with the server. Simply remove them temporarily and then try connecting again. And if none of that works, your best move is to contact the server admin. They may need to fix or replace broken server-side scripts or send you a clean set of resources. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.